Hello, dear customer. This is Evan from QRQ Company. Today, I would like to share with you how we can make the pin lock slider. As you can see in my hand, most of them are number 3 and used inside of the bag. And today in this video, I will show to you how we can make it. So now let's see. As you can see, this is the whole production process. There are totally 7 processes. The first one is die casting. We need to use the die casting machine to make the slider puller and slider body. And also, as you can see, there are many different tonnage of the die casting machine. And after die casting, we need to separate. We need to separate the frame and the products. And after separating, we need to polishing. And I think this polishing process is very important among these processes because sometimes it can determine the quality of the products. So, and also we can provide different model for choosing. And also we will add some, when we do the polishing, we will also add some different shapes polishing stone inside the polishing machine to make the polishing result more better. After polishing, we need to separate products and polishing stones. We use these separate machines. And after separate them, we need to go drying. We need to remove the water from the products. And after drying, we need to assembly. We need to assemble the slider body and the puller. After this assembly, actually we can receive the raw one, right? And if you want to do the color, we go into the last step. We can use the painting or plating. This is the whole production process of how we can make in the pin lock slider. And the next one I want to show to you is the raw material. Making this kind of slider, which material we need. So now let's see, this is the raw material for pin lock slider making process. And the first one is zinc. We need to buy the zinc to make the slider body and the puller for the die casting process. And also we need to different polishing stones used for polishing stone. And also we need to some paint and thinner and hardener. And sometimes we also need a chemical. All of them are used for the painting process or plating process. So this is the whole raw material used for making pin lock slider, and all of them we can support you. And besides the machines and the raw material, we also have the video of each machine. And in each machine, you can see the working situation of each machine.
This is our QQ 15 top die casting machine. This is our QQ product and the water frame separating machine. Look at now, we put the slider inside. This is slider. It's an Italian model, 4 capacity. Okay, with frame. So, dear customers, this is our giant machine for slider. After polishing, the slider has some water, so you must the slider.
In this video, we'll show you the slider barrel plating workshop that we have a customer set up in the factory. Now you can see this is our name plate of our brand, and the workers are doing the plating procedure.
And in addition to the video, we also have the leaflet. And in the leaflet, we can see many details information of our machines. For example, our advantages and our spare parts used for this machine, and also some basic information of this machine. So my friend, this is a brief introduction of how we can make the pin lock slider. And if you want to know more details of our machines, and if you want to set up your own pin lock slider making workshop, and if you want to get some suggestions from us, you can contact us. And also we can send our catalog to you, and you can get more details of our machines, and you have a better idea of how we can do this project. So thank you.